kapamilya, narito na po ang resulta ng ating issue ngayon. We ask your opinion on what could be the most historic presidential election in America. Now, the big question, is race an issue in your choice for president?
Mike State says no. If African Americans did not fight for human rights back in the 60s, Filipinos living in the States would have no rights. Teresita Ramos also says no. Ang sabi niya, keputi, itim, dilaw o pula, babae man o lalaki, walang kwestiyon kung ang magiging leader natin ay matalino at may puso sa kapwa-tao.
Racism should not be a part of this election because I think people should vote for a person who they think could run the country and would serve the best interest of the majority regardless of the skin color.
Meron naman tayong mga kababayan na nagsasabing issue sa kanila ang kulay ng kandidato. Arnold Huerta says anyone who says no is guilty of hypocrisy. One text message says Obama usually chooses his own race to be on top and most of his race are lazy who want to get money and hate working. During a rally for the Republican ticket in Henderson, Nevada, here's what one kababayan said.
Kawawa na production manager of Coca-Cola. Ang karamihan tawag ko mag-itim. Ay, Diyos ko. Susuka ka ng piano. Susuka ka ng piano. Susuka ka ng piano.
Marcos Gutierrez, an Obama supporter, reacts saying, I was shocked to hear that. For once in my life, I'm ashamed of being called Filipino because I do not want to associate myself with an ignorant man. Another viewer, Rochelle, who is half black, half Filipino, said, it made me sick to my stomach. Just because he had one bad experience does not mean all black Americans are awful. I guess ignorance is not just among Caucasians, but it also spreads to the Filipino community. Shame, shame, shame. At ngayon, ang resulta ng ating survey. 60% of our kababayans say no, race is not an issue in their choice for president. And 40% say yes, issue ang kulay ng kandidato sa kanilang pagboto.
Salamat po sa ating mga kapamilyang nakilahok sa ating issue ngayon survey. Abangan ang susunod na nagbabagang tanong sa